This is the Anderson family. They are a loving and hard-working family who, like everyone else, wanted the best for their family. But unfortunately, they failed to plan for the unexpected passing of their patriarch. Now they're left with the task of having to create a GoFundMe campaign to be able to put their loved one to rest. And these are the Emersons. They made the great decision of acquiring the services of Circle Financial, and they were able to focus on giving their grandfather the homecoming celebration that he deserved at this sacred time. At Circle Financial, we provide numerous services to help you create and protect wealth. From life insurance to retirement planning to generational wealth creation and preservation, we make sure that you are protected from living too long, dying too soon, or getting sick along the way. Circle Financial has helped innumerable families attain financial security and freedom. Click the link to book an appointment today. CircleFinancial.org